Hello, Barry Enerson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So a bit of a different take on this one, guys. This is DICE. If you followed the news on this one, let's just take a quick look at the daily chart. And you can see it had some really big news a couple of days ago. I think it's a psoriasis drug, etc. And yesterday we're all waiting. They said they were going to have a financing, and we're waiting to see what was going to be the financing price. And so I guess it was announced this morning, and the financing price was $36.50. Now look what happened. It got down to 37, and typically when a company announces a financing, they're issuing shares, and existing shareholders get their position diluted. They don't like it, and they get punished a bit. Usually below the financing price. Does the stock price go? Not in this case at all. They have shrugged off the financing. So I was saying to people, man, if it gets over 40, look out. I mean, it could have another nice little run in it. And there's that 40 mark, and it ran all the way up to 42. And I don't know where this is going, but this is obviously very strong off that financing. And the other one that has kind of piggyback on it, I think, because we really can't find any news on it, another psoriasis play. And this IMUX has just had a tremendous run. If you take a look at the daily chart, now look at this run that it has had. I mean, and it sort of mirrored what has happened with DICE. So anyway, that's what made the trade great. It had the news, shrugged off the news, and looks like it could have another nice run in it, talking about the DICE, but also the IMUX. All right, everybody, hope everybody has a great evening, and open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.